In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com Construction Project Management. We'll start right from the Monday.com home screen. Once you're logged in and you're on the main workspace, look toward the area where you can add a new board. This is usually where you'll see options like creating a board from scratch or starting from a template. Instead of building everything manually, we're going to take advantage of Monday's pre-built construction templates, which saves a lot of setup time and gives you a solid structure to work from. Click on the option that lets you start with a template. This opens the Template Center. On the left-hand side or near the top, look for the category labeled Construction. Go ahead and click that. You'll now see a collection of construction-related templates designed specifically for managing jobs, schedules, and teams. From here, choose the highlighted construction template that best fits your needs. When you open it, you'll see a preview of the board, including groups, columns, and example items. If it looks like a good starting point, click on Use Template. Monday will create a new board in your workspace that follows this structure, which you can customize later with your own project information. Once your construction board is created, you'll notice a list of items, which in this example are different units or job addresses. Click on the first address or unit to open and review its details. Then, move down the list and click on the second, third, fourth, and sixth units. This is just to get familiar with how each row represents a separate project or location, and how the columns track things like status, timeline, budget, or assigned team members. Now, let's explore different views that help you understand your projects visually. At the top of the board, select the Timeline view. This will display your items on a horizontal timeline, which is great for seeing start and end dates, overlaps, and potential scheduling conflicts. Next, switch over to the Map view. Here, each address or unit is pinned on a map, giving you a geographic perspective of your jobs. Then, click on the Workload view. This view helps you see how work is distributed across your team so you can avoid overloading any one person or subcontractor. You can also open the Project Details view to see a more focused summary of each job. On the related boards, repeat the same process. Check the Timeline, Map, specialized chart views like a cabinets chart, and the subcontractors view. Together, these views give you a complete picture of your construction projects inside Monday.com.